how to sign in to YouTube TV. Now, there are multiple ways in signing in YouTube TV depending on what device you're using. So, say for example, you're currently using a smart TV and you don't have YouTube TV pre-installed. All you gotta do is just by simply connecting your smart TV from your phone for you to be able to download the YouTube TV application, and from there, you will have an option to log in using your phone. Now, for you to be able to log in or sign in on YouTube TV using your browser, just head directly to tv.youtube.com. Now, this is gonna be their official site, and for you to log in, just simply click on this button here to say sign in, and you will be given options on how would you like to be signed in. It's either gonna be your Google Chrome or your Gmail accounts. So that's it. That's very easy. That's how you sign in to YouTube TV.